Hello and namaste everyone. You're watching Smarty Tech Face and I am Anjali with a new video related to the MongoDB. Today we will talk about the topic that how to avoid the duplicate entries in the MongoDB. See, we have a primary key on the ID field. As you can see, this is the ID field. We have a primary key on that. MongoDB doesn't allow any duplication of the underscore ID field. Okay, so what we want, let's say I want the client name should not be duplicated or client id should not be duplicated. So what will you do? So what we can do is we can create an index over it. So if you have a question that how the index will help us to avoid the duplicate entry, let's see it. So as I have said that this is a collection, let me show you an example. Okay, this is a collection. I have a true entries on this, and in the clients collection I want is the client name should not be repeated, should not have the duplicate entry for the same, or you can see name can be the same. Let's say client id should not be the same. Fine. So what will I do? I will create an index on it. Let's firstly create an index like normally what we have to do while creating an index using the command like create index. But if you want to make it a unique, you have to use the unique true. Firstly, let's create an index with this. Okay, and this is not a client name, let's say client id. Fine, I will creating an index on it. Correct, it is correct, it is created. Fine, now let me just insert an entry. Okay, I'm inserting, I'm just removing the underscore id. Here you can see that I'm not changing the client id, so it will take it as it is. Okay, it will make an entry, it will make the entry with the 108. But what we want to avoid this. So for this, let me just drop this index. So this is how we used to drop the index. Fine. Now so this is the entry. Now what will I do? I will create a unique index. This is a unique true. So while using the unique true, it will help us to understand that okay, no entry will be the same values not get be entered in our collection. So let's copy this and create an index. But here is a catch, as we have already a client id with the duplicate one, is it will accepted or not? Okay, you can see that it has been throwing an error that it is already containing a duplicate key, so it will not be able to create an index. So before creating a unique index, you have to remove that duplicated document. Let me just remove this. Fine, now let's create an index. You can see that it has been created successfully. Now go here and now let's try to insert a new document. Fine, so here I'm removing the underscore id, and here we have a client id 108. Now it should throw an error. You can see that duplicate key demos is having a duplicate key, right? So that means we are not able to okay, fine. Actually I created the index on the client name, but that is okay. What we want to do is we want to understand the unique ability of creating an index. So what we have understood now, so on the client name we have a demos, that is why we already have a demos. Now while inserting the same value, it is throwing an error with a duplicate key. But if you will insert a document with something else like s, so now it has been inserted successfully. So this is how you can remove or how you can avoid the duplicate values for a particular collection. I can remove any kind of things. But before this, if any of the keys is already duplicated, you have to remove these. You have to remove those duplicated values, and then only you can create this type of index. So this is all about today's topic. Hope it will help you to understand more about the MongoDB. So let's be connected with us to understand the other things in the MongoDB and other other services that we used to talk about. So thank you everyone, take care, bye bye.